Hi everyone, welcome to my channel MakeLab TV, and today I will show you how you can generate high ticket sales, because you know that if you're selling 100 items at $10, you're only going to make $1,000 and you still have to make 100 sales. So what's the solution for this? Sell for a higher price. So find a product that you can make 50 bucks per sale, 250 bucks per sale, or even $1,000 for only one sale. And that's why I'm here, because I want to show you how to eliminate all the noise around so you can only focus on what really pays you. Stop listening to everyone and continuing to just look at information. Informations are not going to put money in your pocket. Taking action is what is going to put money in your pocket. You need to start building your own system in order to make money online. So many times people on Facebook, they message me and they're trying to convince me to join their program, and when I look at the commission plan, all I'm gonna earn for somebody joining is like $10, $15, sometimes less than that. How am I going to make money if I join this? I don't want to be working for days and train teams and train people. All I want is a system that works for me on autopilot that generates high ticket sales. I don't want to be out there on the field every single day, working 8 hours a week, trying to find people to buy a product for $10 to $15. My time is worth more than that, and I hope that your time is more valuable as well than that. So what I want to introduce to you guys today is a program that is built for you to make high ticket sales. Forget the $10 profits commission or $15 commission for every people you sell to. This program, you don't need to sell anything, because they are selling it for you and you make high ticket sales. I'm talking here about $50 commission, $250 commission, $1,000 commission coming into your bank account every single week, guys. So let's jump right into it. I want to show you what it is and why you can make money doing the same thing as I'm doing every single day. So let's jump right at it. Okay guys, we are here on the website. That's when you sign in, earn easy commissions. You will find the link in the description below in my bio. I put the link there on how you can access this website. So here we go. We are now on the Earn Easy Commission website. That's the website we're gonna use in order to make our high ticket sales. So people who are joining this program as a free member, you're gonna make $1 commissions on all of the people who are gonna join this as a free member. That's just a baby bonus, tiny commission. So let's say you bring 1,000 people in and they subscribe for free, that gives you $1,000. So that's not too bad, but this is just a baby bonus for free members, right? But what you want to do is first become pro member, because you're still gonna make $1 commission every time somebody's gonna become a free member. But on top of that, you will make $50 commissions every time somebody under you becomes a pro member, right? So everyone that you're gonna bring to this website that's gonna go from free to pro, you make 50 bucks commission. And plus, you will now own your own email list, because as a pro member, they will create you your own email list. They will have 100 auto promos. That means 100 emails is gonna be set up for you inside your autoresponder. It's gonna be done for you, promotion inside of there, which means you're gonna have affiliate links inside of all the emails they're gonna write for you and do on autopilot. You will have an opt-in page for you. It's just perfect. So as a pro member, remember that you get your own email list system done for you. The only thing you have to do, guys, is to bring people to your opt-in page, and from there they will start receiving emails from you every single day, and you do not have to write a single one of them because they do all of it for you. So you will get 50 bucks commission each time somebody else under you becomes a pro member. As an elite member, This is crazy, guys. You still make the $1 commission as for free members. You still make the $50 commission on all the members that becomes pro, because you have to be pro before to be elite. So when people becomes pro, that's gonna give you 50 bucks. And when people becomes an elite, now that's gonna give you guys 250 bucks commission, right? And so you will get the 50 bucks plus the $1 plus the 250. So far you made $301. With multiple income stream, that's another way that you're gonna make money, about, let's say, $20 in average a month. You're gonna make recurring commissions from the people using the multiple income stream. Finally, as a VIP partner, you still make the $1 commission, the 50 bucks commission on people who becomes pro. Your own email is done for you promo, 100 auto promos. It's same thing as a pro, same thing as an elite. And then you make $1,000, guys, when an elite member becomes VIP. That's when the big money is. I told you guys, this is high ticket sales. So overall, if somebody becomes a VIP partner, that's gonna give you $1 plus 50 plus 250 plus $1,000. So overall, you made $1,301 just for one people going from pro, elite, VIP. Only one person, guys. And as a VIP, that's the crazy thing. Let's say you become a VIP and you bring somebody under you that becomes pro. Automatically, as a VIP partner, I'm gonna make $20 on every person that are coming right under you. Then $100 as soon as they become an elite, and $400 as soon as they become VIP. So that's crazy, guys. Imagine, you come in, you become VIP, I make $1,301. But everyone under you that comes because of you, that you're bringing in, I will make $20 each time they become pro. I will make $100 each time they become an elite. And I'm making $400 each time they become VIP. So overall, I make $520 each time that you're bringing someone through your affiliate links to become a VIP. So I make $1,301 each time you're becoming VIP, and $520 each time you're bringing other VIPs in. So this is high ticket sales, guys. This is a total different game out there. It's not those tiny little game where you're trying to convince people for $10, $15 to buy your shampoo product for whatever wellness company. Guys, this is a serious game here. This is where the big amounts of money, because you get a bunch of services for that. Here I'm just showing you the quickly what you can earn, but there is so many other things that as an elite you get, as a VIP, all the services you get as a pro as well. This is just crazy, guys. So first thing you need to do is, when you get to earn as a commission, you don't want to stay at free level, because you don't want to make just the $1 commission. You need to start climbing the ladder, and that's with level pro. So you go level pro right here, you watch the video, you create that they're gonna show you in the video exactly everything you get as a pro membership, right? You become a pro member, you create your Get Response account, you create your Click Magic account, and then you click here to become a pro member. As you can see, being a pro member is a $100 one-time payment. That is why I'm getting 50 bucks as soon as you become a pro member. The 50 bucks comes from you paying your $100 payment. And what you get from this is you get your whole pro system set up for you, your email list set up for you, your opt-in page set up for you, 100 emails set up for you. That's what you're paying for, right? And that's why I'm gonna make $50 as soon as you become a pro member. And that is why each time somebody under you, I'm gonna make $20 as soon as they become a pro member as well. So of course, here you are and you're thinking, well, all you want is me making money. All you want is make money out of me. That's not true. I want to make money out of the people you bring under. And that is why you should focus not on how much I make out of you. You have to focus how much you can make out of others. right? This is sales, this is marketing. You're not gonna receive money in your pocket unless somebody somewhere is spending money anyways, right? So my goal is to teach you how to really make money with this, because overall, if I'm teaching you wrong, I'm not gonna make extra money anyways, because you're not gonna bring anyone in. So my goal is to really help you as much as possible, and that's why I'm inviting you right now to go on Facebook and add me. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, and you can add me and ask me personal questions, guys. You can ask me anything. I'm here to giving you all my tips, all my tricks on how I generate traffic to my opt-in on my opt-in page, and how I'm building my email list, and how I'm making consistent sales every single week, guys. And you can do it too, and that's why I'm here, giving back to you. And you can actually get my one-on-one coaching if you come join me on Facebook right now and ask me to help you. So that's it for me today. I'm hoping to see you soon, at least as a pro member, and come talk to me on Facebook right now. I'm here. I respond to everyone at least 3 to 4 times a day, so it's really worth it, guys, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a thumbs up in the comment, please. Really helps. Love you guys. Have a nice day.